Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Hub. Before starting the video, if you like my video then please subscribe my channel and watch more videos and share with your friends. So let's see. It's the previous year ESIC question paper of staff nurse exam and it's fully solved. So see, question number first. Uterus will be enlarged and fundus is at the level of umbilical at which week of gestation? Correct answer is A. 24 weeks of gestation. Uterus will be enlarged and fundus is the level of umbilicus at the 24 weeks of gestation. Next question, question number second. DOTS is related with. Correct answer is D. Tuberculosis. DOTS treatment is used. DOTS regimen or treatment is used in the tuberculosis treatment. Next question, question number third. Hepatitis A is transmitted by. Correct answer is A. Contaminated food and water. Because of hepatitis A is normally transmitted by the fecal-oral route, but here is not like that of option. So correct answer is A. Contaminated food and water can cause the hepatitis A. Next question, question number 4. Which are antipsychotics except? Correct answer is A. Promethazine. Promethazine is not an antipsychotic drug. It's a antihistamine medicine. And chlorpromazine, trifloperazine, and prochlorperazine is a antipsychotics drugs. Next question, question number 5. 1 gram of protein gives how many kilocalories? Correct answer is D. 4 kilocalories. 1 gram of protein gives the 4 kilocalories. Next question. What is the method of transfer of heat by circulating air or liquid? Correct answer is C. Convection. Convection is the method of transfer of heat by circulating air or liquid. Next question. Question number 7. This is not included in the triple test. Right answer is D. Progesterone. Progesterone is not included in the triple test, but the maternal serum alpha fetoprotein, unconjugated oestrol, and SCG are the part of the triple test that is conducted during the pregnancy time. Next question, question number 8. Massaging the uterus to make it hard is important in. Correct answer is B. Atonic postpartum hemorrhage. Next question, question number 9. All of the following are Evangelous breath sound except. Evangelous, that means abnormal breath sound. Correct answer is D. Fremitus. Fremitus is not a abnormal breath sound, and crackles, wheeze and roncha is the abnormal or Evangelous breath sound. Next question, question number 10. The apex beat can be best heard at. Correct answer is the fifth intercostal space. The apex beat can be best heard at the fifth intercostal space. Next question, question number 11. The proponent of psychoanalysis theory is. Correct answer is C. Sigmund Freud. Sigmund Freud is the proponent of the psychoanalysis theory or Maslow hierarchy of theory. Next question, question number 12. It is an increase in depth of respiration. Correct answer is D. Hyperapnea. In hyperapnea, increase in the depth of respiration. Next question, question number 13. Mitral valve is situated between. Correct answer is B. Left atrium and left ventricle. Mitral valve is situated between the left atrium and left ventricle. Next question, question number 14. The normal value of hemoglobin in females is. Correct answer is D. 12 to 14 gram percent is the normal value of hemoglobin in female. Next question, question number 15. All of the following are components of Glasgow Coma scale except. Correct answer is B. Marital status. Marital status is not the component of Glasgow Coma scale. Glasgow Coma scale is used for the consciousness, checking the consciousness status. Next question, question number 16. Vincristine is an example of. Right answer is C. Plant alkaloid. Vincristine is a chemotherapeutic agent and it's an example of plant alkaloid. Next question, question number 17. The suffix used for making an opening. Right answer is B. Ostomy. The suffix used for making an opening is a ostomy. Refi represent the refi, that means something should be repaired. Ectomy, that means something should be removal. Next question, question number 18. Mydriatics are drugs that. Correct answer is it. Dilate pupil. Mydriatics are drugs that dilate the pupil, and myotics are drugs that constrict the pupil. So correct answer is it. Dilate the pupil. Next question, question number 19. The normal baseline fetal heart rate is between. Right answer is C. 120 to 160 per beat. The normal baseline fetal heart rate FHR is between the 120 to 160 per beat. Next question, question number 20. When a patient is recovering anticoagulants, this drug is contraindicated as. Correct answer is C. Acetyl salicylic acid or aspirin. So when a patient is receiving anticoagulant, the aspirin or acetyl salicylic acid will not be given because of it's the antiplatelet drug. Next question, question number 21. In increased intracranial pressure, manifestation of Cushing's triad include all of the following except. Correct answer is D. Tachycardia. Tachycardia is not the Cushing triad. And increased systolic blood pressure, bradycardia, and irregular respiratory pattern is the manifestation of Cushing triad. Next question, question number 22. After IVP for a patient, the most important nursing responsibility is. Right answer is B. Advised to take increased oral fluid. Next question, question number 23. Enlargement of the right ventricle secondary to disease of the lungs, thorax, or pulmonary circulation is. Right answer is C. Cor pulmonale. Cor pulmonale is the enlargement of the right ventricle secondary to the disease of the lungs, thorax, or pulmonary circulation. Next question, question number 24. Propanol is included under. Right answer is beta adrenergic blockers. Beta adrenergic blocker. Where is the LOL word is present in the medicine? That means it's a beta related beta blockers or beta adrenergic blocker related drugs. Next question, question number 25. Dumping syndrome may occurs in. Right answer is B. Gastrectomy. Dumping syndrome may occur in the gastrectomy. Next question, question number 26. An elevation of what is the strong and direct association with CAD? Right answer is LDL, low density lipoprotein. An elevation of LDL is a strong and direct association with CAD. Next question, question number 27. A client with dysphagia experience difficulty in. Right answer is B. Dysphagia means difficulty in swallowing. Next question, question number 28. It is most important for the nurse to observe a client with tetanus for. Right answer is B. Respiratory tract spasm. Next question, question number 29. Infection which occur as a result of diagnostic procedure or treatment is called. Correct answer is B. Iatrogenic infection. Iatrogenic infection is the infection that occurs as a result of diagnostic procedure or treatment. Next question, question number 30. Third degree genital prolapse is otherwise called. Right answer is C. Procedentia. Third degree genital prolapse is called the procedentia. Next question, question number 31. The increased calorie need during puerperium is. Right answer is B. 500 kilocalories. 300 kilocalorie needs during the pregnancy and 500 kilocalorie needs during the puerperium because of breastfeeding mothers. So right answer is B. 500 kilocalories. Next question, question number 32. Increased pulsation felt in lateral fornix of vagina in pregnancy is termed as. Right answer is the Osiander sign. In Osiander sign, increased pulsation felt in lateral fornix of vagina in pregnancy. Next question, question number 33. The disadvantage of filial conduct is. Right answer is C. Urine continually drains from it. The disadvantage of ileal contact is the urine continuously drains from it. Next question, question number 34. Lipid profile test consists all of the following except. Right answer is D, SgO2, because of SgO2 is related with the liver problems and it's used in the liver related problems. So lipid profile test consists of LDL, total cholesterol, and HDL, not the SgO2. Next question, question number 35. The antidote for MgSO4 is. Right answer is A, calcium gluconate. So the overdose of MgSO4 or magnesium sulfate overdose is its antidote for calcium gluconate. Next question. Question number 36. The causative organism for tetanus is. Correct answer is B, Clostridium tetani. Clostridium tetani can cause the tetanus. Next question. Question number 37. Angiotensin second is a vasoconstrictor. Right answer is a vasoconstrictor. Next question. Question number 38. Tocolytics acts on uterus to produce. Right answer is the relaxation. Tocolytics acts on uterus to produce relaxation because of precipitating labor or before onset of labor, for early labor, tocolytics drugs are used for relaxation of uterus. Next question, question number 39. Increased prolactin level. Right answer is yes, suppress the ovulation. Increased prolactin level suppress the ovulation. Next question, question number 40. A patient with CCF is getting digoxin therapy, cardiac congestive failure, is getting digoxin therapy and loop diuretics in order to prevent complications. The nurse needs to. Right answer is B. Maintain intake and output chart. Right answer is we maintain intake and output chart. Next question, question number 41. The normal value of RBS is. Right answer is B, 100 to 140 mg. The normal value of all RBS is the 100 to 140 mg. Next question, question number 40. Acetabulum is the part of. Right answer is D, femur. Acetabulum is related with the femur bone. Next question, question number 43. Polydipsia means excessive. Dipsia, that means thirst, and poly means more. So polydipsia means the excessive thirst. Next question, question number 44. After adrenalectomy for pheochromocytoma, the patient is likely to experience. Right answer is C, hyperkalemia. After adrenalectomy for pheochromocytoma, the patient is likely to experience hyperkalemia. Next question. Sorry. 44th question is right answer is C, marked variation in blood pressure. Because of adrenalectomy for pheochromocytoma, the patient is likely to experience the marked variation in blood pressure. Next question, question number 45. Following kidney transplantation, sign of rejection include in the kidney transplantation. First sign is fever, then weight gain, reduced urine output, and increased blood pressure. So it's a sign of rejection include the kidney transplantation. Right answer is D. Next question. Question number 46. The quantity of fluid intake allowed for a patient with renal failure is. Right answer is A, previous day's urine output plus 500 ml. Next question, question number 47. Lack of intrinsic factor in the stomach results in failure of absorption of vitamin. Right answer is D, vitamin B12. Right answer is D, vitamin B12. Next question, question number 48. Vitamin K is essential for normal blood clotting because it promotes. Right answer is C, fibrinogen formation by liver. Vitamin K is essential for normal blood clotting because it promotes the fibrinogen formation by the liver. Next question, question number 49. The most lethal arrhythmia among the following is. Right answer is ventricular fibrillations. Ventricular fibrillations is the most or lethal arrhythmia among all type of arrhythmia. Next question, question number 50. The higher the RBC count, the higher in the RBC count is. Right answer is B. The greater the viscosity. The higher RBC count can increase the greater the viscosity. Next question, question number 51. Glaucoma is characterized by the following features except. Right answer is B. Optic nerve atrophy. Optic nerve atrophy is not the sign, symptom, or characteristic features of glaucoma. So right answer is B. Optic nerve atrophy and increased in ICP, inflammation of cornea and peripheral vision field loss is the characteristic features of glaucoma. Next question, question number 52. The majority of the body's water is contained in which of the following fluid compartments? Right answer is B. Intracellular compartment. 66% of total body water is most or majority maximum water is contained in the intracellular space. Next question, question number 53. In nephrotic syndrome, edema results from. Right answer is B. Reduced osmotic pressure caused by the loss of serum proteins. Right answer is B. Next question, question number 54. The weight of the placenta at term is about. Correct answer is C, 500 gram. 500 gram is the normal weight of placenta at the term. Next question, question number 55. HELLP syndrome is a complication of. Right answer is D, preeclampsia. HELLP syndrome is a complication of preeclampsia. It's related with the pregnancy. HELP, that means hemolysis, elevated liver enzyme levels, and low platelets level. Next question, question number 56. False unshakable beliefs exhibited by patient with psychosis is. Right answer is with delusions. In the delusion, false unshakable beliefs exhibited by patient with psychosis. Next question, question number 57. Senseless repetition of same words or phrases over and over again is termed as. Right answer is B, echolalia. In the echolalia, senseless repetition of the same words or phrases over and over again. Next question, question number 58. In obstructive jaundice, there will be. Right answer is B, clay colored stool. It's the main symptom of obstructive jaundice. Right answer is B, clay colored stool. Next question, question number 59. Seventh cranial nerve is. Right answer is C, facial nerve. Seventh cranial nerve is a facial nerve. Next question, question number 60. Is an autoimmune disease of the neuromuscular junction characterized by fluctuating weakness of certain skeletal muscles? Right answer is myasthenia gravis. Myasthenia gravis is an autoimmune disease, and in this disease, the neuromuscular junction characterized by fluctuating weakness of certain skeletal muscles. Next question. What is the sexually transmitted? Which is the sexually transmitted disease? Question number 61. Correct answer is A, gonorrhea. Gonorrhea is a sexually transmitted disease. Next question, question number 62. What is the separation and description of previously joined wound is? Right answer is B, dehiscence. Dehiscence is the separation and description of previously joined wounds. Next question, question number 63. First fetal movement perceived by mother. Right answer is B, quickening. Quickening is the first fetal movement that is perceived by the mother. Next question, question number 64. In vesicular mole, which hormone is found in excess or increased? Right answer is D, HCG hormone. HCG hormone is increased or excess in the vesicular mole. Next question, question 65. A woman with 2 months of amenorrhea and positive pregnancy test is complaining of brown vaginal spotting. It may be suggestive of. Right answer is missed abortion. Next question, question number 66. What must be checked prior to administration of digoxin? Right answer is B. Heart rate. Heart rate must be checked prior to the administration of digoxin. Next question, question number 67. The mental mechanism in which blaming others for our own mistake is timeless. Right answer is A. Projection. Projection is the mental mechanism in which blaming others for our own mistakes. Next question, question number 68. Nevirapine is given in pregnancy. Right answer is C. To reduce viral load in HIV infection. Nevirapine is given in pregnancy to reduce the viral load in HIV infection. Next question, question number 69. The most populated country in the India. The most populated country in the world. Correct answer is D. China. And after the China, it's our country, India. India is the second most populated country. First one is the China. Next question, question number 70. Which of the following is not a component of BISOP's score? Right answer is cervical length. Cervical length is not the component of BISOP score. And cervical dilatation, station of head and position of head is used in the component of BISOP score. Next question, question number 71. In a patient affected with HIV, the organism will be present in all of the following except. Right answer is B. Semen. In semen, HIV organism will be not present. Sorry. In the sperm. In a patient affected with HIV, the organism will be present in all of the following except. Correct answer is D. Sperm. In sperm, HIV organism will not be present. Next question, question number 72. What is the largest gland in the body? Right answer is C. Liver. Liver is the largest gland in the body. If the question will be asked like which is the largest endocrine gland. If the endocrine gland will be asked, then the right answer is a thyroid. But there is question asked largest gland in the body, not endocrine gland. So right answer is C. Liver. Liver is the largest gland in the body. Next question, question number 73. RNTCP is related with RNTCP, that means Revised National Tuberculosis Control Program. So it's related with the tuberculosis. Right answer is B. RNTCP related with the tuberculosis. Next question, question number 74. A side effect of ECT, electroconvulsive therapy. Right answer is D. Loss of memory. A side effect of ECT is the loss of memory. Next question, question number 75. Rickets results from deficiency of. Right answer is vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency causes the rickets. Next question, question 76. Vidal test is used to diagnose. Right answer is C. Typhoid fever. Vidal test is used to diagnose the typhoid fever. Next question. Circle of Willis related with circulation of. Here is right answer is D. Brain. Because in the brain there is blood-brain barrier, there is circle of Willis is related to the circulation of brain. Next question, question number 78. What must be taken in empty stomach? Right answer is rifampicin. Rifampicin must be taken in empty stomach. Next question, question number 79. All of the following are classical features of nephrotic syndrome except. Right answer is C. Hypotension. Hypotension is not a classical feature of nephrotic syndrome. Hyperlipidemia, hypoalbuminemia, and proteinuria and hypertension is the classical features of nephrotic syndrome. So here is hypotension. So it's not a classical features of nephrotic syndrome. Next question, question number 80. Important side effect of cisplatin is. Right answer is the nephrotoxicity. Cisplatin is related with the chemotherapeutic agent, and its side effect is nephrotoxicity. Next question, question number 81. After ovulation, the ovum is viable for. Right answer is C, for 24 to 36 hours. After ovulation, the ovum is viable for the 24 to 36 hours. Next question, question 82. Loss of power of expression of speech is. Right answer is D, aphonia. In aphonia, loss of power of expression of speech. Next question, question 83. After surgical repair of a cleft lip for an infant, it is important for the nurse. Right answer is B, keeping the baby away from the crying. Next question, 83 question number, right answer is B, keeping the baby from the crying. Next question, question number 84. Chickenpox can be fatal to children who are receiving. Right answer is B, steroids. Chickenpox can be fatal to children who are receiving the steroids. Next question, question 85. Congenital absence as closure of a normal body opening or tubular structure is called. Right answer is D, atresia. Congenital or present at the birth or absence. Congenital absence as closure of a normal body opening or tubular structure is called the atresia. Next question, question number 86. The major role in the maintaining fluid balance in the body performed by the. Right answer is B, kidney. Kidney performed the major role in the maintaining fluid balance in the body. Next question, question number 87. Excessive menstrual bleeding is. Right answer is menorrhagia. In menorrhagia, excessive menstrual bleeding should be seen. Next question, question number 88. Anti-nuclear antibody ANA may be positive in. Right answer is C, autoimmune disease. In autoimmune disease, ANA may be positive. Next question, question 88. What should not be given when the baby is in utero? Right answer is B, ergometrin. Ergometrin should not be given when the baby is in utero or in uterus. Next question, question number 90. Terbutaline is. Right answer is D, bronchodilators. Terbutaline is a bronchodilator that is used in the asthma or respiratory related problems. Next question, question number 91. An increase in number of cells resulting from increased cellular division is known as. Right answer is A, hyperplasia. In hyperplasia, an increase in the number of cells from the increased resulting from increased cellular division. When the in the hypertrophy, then the cell size will be increased and dysplasia size will be increased. In dysplasia, number of cells should be decreased. Next question, question number 92. There are how many pairs of cranial nerve? Right answer is C, 12. 12 pair of cranial nerves in the human body. Next question, question number 93. The arterial blood gas of a child is deteriorating and respiratory failure is impending. Nurse first assist for. Right answer is C, confusion. Correct answer is C, confusion. Nurse firstly assist for the confusion. Next question, question number 94. Vaginal hysterectomy is usually indicated in. Right answer is B, prolapse with uterine disease. Vaginal hysterectomy is usually indicated in the prolapse with uterine disease. Next question, question number 95. When providing care to patient with thrombocytopenia, the nurse must avoid aspirin because it. Right answer is A, interferes with platelet aggregation. Next question, question 96. The nurse must assess a client experiencing excessive production of ADH, antidiuretic hormone. For. Right answer is D, dehydration. The nurse must assess a client experience excessive production of ADH for the dehydration. Next question, question number 97. Captopril is. A. Right answer is B. Anti-hypertensive medicine. Captopril is a anti-hypertensive drugs. Next question, question number 98. The hormone that stimulates the secretion of mammary gland is. Right answer is A. Oxytocin. Next question, question number 99. Erythropoietin is secreted by. Right answer is B. Kidney. Erythropoietin is secreted by the kidney. Next question, question number 100. What is the movement of solutes from an average of greater concentration to an area of lesser concentration? Correct answer is A. Diffusion. And diffusion is the movement of solutes from an area of greater concentration to an area of lesser concentration. Thank you for watching us, and this video is share with your friends because it's very important in upcoming exams of ESIC or MCA exams and other nursing exams. So please watch it full. Thank you for watching us.